not normal.
You okay?
Ricky. You okay? So he's done. He's stupid.
That was 43 sneezes. 44, 45.
Oh, I gotta go over because there's snot
46. You okay?
Is he allergic to something?
I don't know. That's like 50 sneezes. You okay?
That's not normal.
You okay?
Ricky? Hey. Look at eyes! Everything is so slobbery on him.
Yeah, he sneezed like 55 times. You okay, buddy?
Which box did he sniff?
The red one.
Red one where?
Right there on top.
All I know is that he scratched me pretty good.
Yeah, he did. Oh, gosh.
Ricky, you okay? You okay? You okay?
That might not be good, baby.